content writing and copywriting. Initially, we'll be discussing what exactly content writing means. Then we'll jump to copywriting, and then we'll discuss the difference between both of them. So let's just get started with what is content writing. So, content writing is a process of planning and writing content for the purpose of creating engagement and brand loyalty. So, whenever we write any piece of content, we start with planning the content. We start by creating the layout of the particular content and researching everything about the content. And only after that, we start writing content. So, whenever we are done with all these three steps, researching, planning, and creating the entire layout of the content, we start writing content accordingly. And in case of content writing, our main focus is on creating engagement and increasing the brand loyalty of the website for which we are writing content. In this case, our main focus is not on creating ROI or getting leads generated. Also, content writing is telling the readers about brand services while delivering valuable content. In this case, what we do is we create informational content, engaging content for our readers so that they can get to know more about what exactly services or what products our client is selling and how they are based from other service providers in the industry itself. So the main focus of content writing will be on creating brand loyalty and creating engagement for their clients. Now, jumping to copywriting. Copywriting is a process of generating appealing and promotional content for the purpose of generating leads and revenue. In case of copywriting, our main focus will be on creating promotional content, and so that that particular promotional content can in turn help in generating leads and revenue for our clients for whom we are writing the content. So, in case of copywriting, the main focus is on generating leads and converting the leads into revenue. Also, the main purpose, as I told you, of copywriting is selling your service. For the client we are writing content, our main focus is to help them sell their services or products through our content. So, the basic difference between content writing and copywriting is that in case of copywriting, we'll be focusing more on engaging, we'll be focusing more on creating engagement and brand loyalty. But in case of copywriting, our main focus will be on creating leads and generating revenue from the content we are writing. Moving forward to the difference between content writing and copywriting. Content writing, as I told you, our main focus is for creating engagement. We create engagement through our content. Our content is completely informational, it's information centric content, and our content helps in engagement. It helps in building brand loyalty. We get likes and shares, and the content we write adds value to the business. So this is the main focus of writing content. And as we talk about content writing, the types of content we write are blogs, articles, videos, Insta posts, graphics, and all that things. So as I told you earlier, that the main focus is just for creating informational content and letting people know what exactly services that particular service provider is providing. Moving forward to copywriting. In case of copywriting, as I told you earlier, the main focus will be on creating sales and conversion. Whoever visitor is going to visit on our site is definitely our potential client. So our main focus will be on converting that potential client into our existing client, or creating that particular lead into conversion. So we write promotional content. In case of copywriting, we use call to action words and all these things. Our main focus will be to present an offer. We can present any offer through our content, and the main focus will be on increasing the conversions and ROI through our content. The type of content we write is webinar, video, sales letter, Facebook ad. So whenever we write copywriting, the type of content that we use will be webinar content, video, sales letters, Facebook ad, and all these things. So this was the basic difference between copywriting and content writing. A lot of content writers quite get confused by the difference between these two things, but this is the major difference between these two types of content, these two types of writing. There's also a difference in tone, the type of words we use, the kind of tone we use, and all those things. But in case you're having any queries, you can just comment us, and we'll get back to you with our replies in the comments itself. Thank you so much.